Alright, well, I was inspecting this 2000 model Volkswagen new Beetle. This is a 1.8T turbo with a manual. And I found that this passenger side CV shaft is loose. The bolts are coming out. So, this needs to be cleaned up and put Loctite on there and retorqued back on there. I've got one of them cleaned up and going back in now. I put blue Loctite on it. But I clean them up real good, and the size of that it requires is one of these 4x4 square funny looking things here. It's called a 4x4 square. I don't think it'll give me the size on this. CRA chrome vanadium whatever. Where's the number? It says it's a V9. I don't know what that means, but I've got a kit. I just grabbed the one that fits. But anyway, the idea is this is a maintenance item on these cars. You need to check for things that are loose. So this is what it looks like. I think there's even one missing. So I'm going to have to scrounge around and find one somewhere. But that's how it looks, and you want to put some Loctite on it. This is what I mean by Loctite. You need to put Loctite on there, and those threads need to be in like new condition. They need to be clean and like new. Well, whenever you get a half shaft assembly kit from the dealer, it comes with new bolts. And the reason why is because people are too lazy to clean the old bolt up and put Loctite on them. So they come with new bolts with Loctite on it already from the factory. You just throw the old ones away. Well, in this case here, I'm going to clean them up and fix it right. So, alright, hope this helps somebody. Take it easy.